Alright, so before I go ahead, kindly click on the subscription button below and click on the bell icon and tap on all so you can always get notification each time I upload a new video like this. Alright, so let's get to the main video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on data saver for Android. Okay, first you need to go to Instagram and you click on the three lines here, and down here you tap on settings. Right, you come and see account, you click on account, and on that account you see cellular data use, then tap on it. All right, my data user is already on. Then if yours is not on, just on it. Okay, and that is it. You have successfully choose data saver. All right, so you can also choose high resolution video, then click on it and type and click on Wi-Fi. All right, so when you click on Wi-Fi, Instagram will only show you high resolution video when your device is connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, and then if you want to turn off your data saver, then just click on it and that's it. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Okay, bye bye.